Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Hansika Chauhan and I'm back with a new video. So it's a 40 days challenge video. So in this video I will be basically telling you certain pointers which are needed to be taken care of so that your next 40 days are planned out perfectly and the output you will be getting is up to its maximum. So yeah, let's begin with the video. So starting with the pointers, the first and the most important thing which you need to do is you have to stop panic about the portion you had left, because more than 30 days are left. And even if your preparations are at 50 to 60%, you can easily jump it over to 90%, and I can assure you that. But you have to put efforts from your side too. Matlab, it's not like that I am telling you that it will be done, so it will be done. No, the efforts are from your end, so you have to put them, and then I can assure you that yeah, आपकी preparation 90% तक जा सकती है. So don't panic about the portion you had left. Just don't. So the second suggestion from my side will be not to get yourself engaged in the mock tests which are evaluation based. Matlab, you have to do all the MTP, RTP and the previous year question papers. You have to go through them for sure. But I'm only suggesting you that not to give the mock test in which there will be evaluation and you will be getting marks at the end, because 1 month is left and अभी आपका जो panic का bucket है it's almost full, and if you will be giving this mock test it will add more weight to your panic bucket, right? So matlab, I am only suggesting this. Don't take it personal. If you want to give it, it's very good thing. Matlab, if you are ready to just face your marks and you are okay with and you will not be panic about it, so yeah, it's okay. But it's a suggestion from my side कि अभी वैसे इतना hectic situation है, so और ज़्यादा उसको over ना करने की जगह you can just focus on your studies and you can just go through the previous attempt question papers and MTPs and RTPs. Okay, so it's only a suggestion. The third point of this video, and which I feel is the most important point of this whole video, is that you have to take a half day break, and be sure to take this break only if you will be following the advice which I will be giving further in this video. Otherwise, just continue with your studies. Don't waste your half day and just be consistent with your studies. Okay, now let's discuss what you have to do in this half day break. So this break is specifically for the next 30 days planning. Matlab, you have to plan out your next 30 days. If you are giving group 1, then you have to plan that how you will be covering all the 4 subjects within these 30 days. And if you are giving group 2, then you have to plan that how you will be covering all the 8 subjects in these respective 30 days. So matlab, it's a very big plan. So you need to be calm and you need to be just clear about all the thoughts. So that's why I suggest you to take this half day break. And in addition to that, what you have to do, so 30 days will be a big plan. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to also set the daily targets which will ultimately lead you to achieve your 30 days big plan. So here's your big goal, and these are the daily targets which will help you to reach that goal. So that, yeah, that's what you have to do. First thing, make a 30 days target, matlab how you will be covering all the subjects. Then set the daily targets which will help you to reach to that 30-day goal. And to be honest, this will also provide you a self motivation, because when you will be setting the daily targets and when you will be achieving them on the respective day, तो आपको बहुत motivation मिलेगा. Like कि आज का target हो गया, okay, इतना portion cover हो गया, अब मैं इतने close हूँ अपने main goal के, right? So it will be a very motivating process also. So just write it down and watch my strategies video for sure, because all the 8 subject की strategies video available हैं, and it will be very helpful for you to plan out your next 30 days. Just watch it. तभी I am suggesting you to take this half day break, and be sure to take this break only if you are a kind of person that yeah, you like to plan out the things and then you like to execute them also. Okay, only the planning part is not okay, you have to execute it well too. So just take this break only if you are that kind of person. Otherwise, don't waste your day and just go with your studies. And yeah. So fourth point will be that you had already gone through your faculty's material, right? So now it's the high time that you need to do ICI material too. More than 30 days are left. That is enough. And just go through your faculty's materials also and go through the ICI material too. Don't ever try to skip this. That you will not be going through ICI material. I'm not suggesting you to go through all the content again, because content almost same होता है faculties material and ICI material में. So what you need to do is you need to go through all the illustrations, examples, questions, and the way they answer is the most important thing which you need to ponder on. So just go through the ICI material for sure before appearing for your examinations. So the fifth point which I will be telling you is personally I feel is the most effective, that is the 1.5 days planning in advance. This is that 1.5 day which you will be getting prior to the day of examination, right? Matlab in your examination days. So what you have to do is, matlab after setting your strategy for each and every subject, just while you will be executing that strategy, be sure to take just a one piece of paper, write the subject name on the head, then just write the important and the most important and the major topics that you have to cover. Matlab just plan out your that 1.5 day, because during those 16 days or during those 8 days you will not be in any condition that you will be planning something and you will be executing it at the same time. So why not to plan it in advance and just execute it while you will be getting the time, right? And बहुत effective होता है. Just don't ignore it. I'm not saying it for the purpose of any video. बहुत ही ज़्यादा effective होता है. And just पेपर शुरू होने से पहले सारा सब्जेक्ट्स को आप पेस्ट कर लेना अपनी वॉल पे, एंड जस्ट गो थ्रू इट कि आपने क्या क्या कर लिया है, क्या क्या बचा है. इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू यू. एंड बी श्योर टू कवर योर मतलब वीकेस्ट पॉइंट्स टू, जिसमें आप वीक हैं, एंड बी श्योर टू गो थ्रू देम ऑल्सो. So yeah, that was all. So at last, the best motivation tip, which I also tried and I also did, और मैं अभी भी करती हूँ, is that watch the reaction videos of the students who had passed. मतलब इंटर पास किया हो, फाउंडेशन पास किया हो, फाइनल पास किया हो, डजेंट मैटर, बट वॉच द रिएक्शन वीडियोस. इससे मतलब एक पावर ऑफ मोटिवेशन, मतलब इतना मोटिवेशन मिलता है ना इससे कि आई कैंट एक्सप्लेन इट इन वर्ड्स. मतलब इट्स अ इनर फीलिंग, एंड आई नो कि बहुत लोगों को आती भी होगी है. सो जस्ट अ टिप, ट्राई इट आउट, एंड मतलब मोटिवेशन ही तो चाहिए. जस्ट टेक इट एंड जस्ट एंजॉय स्टडिंग अहेड. एंड या, so yeah guys, that's all for the video, and 40 days are left for the examination. Just be sure to be consistent and just focus on your studies. किसी और चीज़ से divert मत होइए, and I can assure you these 40 days can be a game changer for you. So just go for it, and bye bye.